Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video I am going to be doing a first impressions and mini review on the Chanel medium large. Now if you guys have not seen my last video, I did a video on why I sold my jumbo in the double flap, and I basically replaced it with this. So yeah, let's just talk about this beauty. So if you missed out on that video, definitely check it out so you can see why I went with this size. But in my opinion, this is the most classic size that Chanel, the classic flap comes in. I think that it is super versatile. I think it's the most versatile actually of all sizes, because I find that you can wear it day to night. It's small enough to be night, but it's also the perfect size for your, essentials for day time. I know a lot of you guys might carry a lot of things with you during the day, but I don't, and I happen to find that this fits exactly what I need, and even a little bit more, because I'll show you guys anyway. But yes, I'm super happy with this purchase. We have been quarantined and I haven't been able to go anywhere, so it's hard for me to give like a true review, but I just wanted to give more of like a first impression to you guys and share with you guys what fits inside. So I'm 5'7", and I find that I can wear this crossbody. It does fit me kind of like a high crossbody, but I love where it sits on my shoulder, and I do really like it actually when it sits kind of like a high crossbody. So hopefully I can insert some mod shots for you guys so you can see how it fits. But let's just talk about the features of this bag. I have it in the caviar leather with the silver hardware. It has that back half moon pocket. Mine is a 24 series, so I believe that is 2017. I could be wrong. You can wear it on the shoulder double strap like this. You can wear it single strap. That's how I prefer to prefer to wear it. It has this CC turn lock. My kids are screaming hi to me. It has a double flap with the burgundy interior. A little zip pocket up there. The front pocket, I will probably be putting my phone in there. And then, yeah. So let's just talk about what fits inside. Now, as I mentioned, I have my phone, and I would probably put it in the front there. Let's just see if it closes like that. Yeah, it does. So there it is. So my phone is in the front. I'll take that out. Oh wait, I wanted to, hold on a second, sorry guys. I wanted to like stuff it so that you can see everything. Okay. So I have a little compact, this is the Fenty Beauty blotting powder. I have my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton. I have my lipstick and lip gloss. This is the MAC Japanese Maple, and this is an Old Tarte lip gloss. And then I have my Louis Vuitton pochette accessory. Inside I have a key holder, so if you put this in separately it'll fit. So my card holder by YSL, and then I have some cash and stuff inside there. But basically that's what I carry on a daily basis, and I wanted to see if we can fit. I thought I had my sunglasses here, let me see. No, I don't. I wanted to see if I can fit my sunglass case in there as well. Let's try. So I'm gonna put them back in. My phone in the front. I'll put the lipsticks in it. And then instead of putting that compact, let's see. This is a Ray-Ban case. Let's see if we can get this in there to close. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Oh, if I really push it to, it will. Now, I don't know if I'm going to like force things into this bag, but if I really needed to, it would fit. Place it right on the top. But this is the perfect size for me, you guys. Oh, wait a second. Hold on, this is sticking on the edge. Maybe that's why I didn't want to close. There we go. Yeah. So that's what fits. I'm super happy with this purchase so far. Like I said, I didn't really get to wear it. I went out once and I did some grocery shopping and I wore it and I really loved it. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I have to say about it. I think that if there's gonna be one size bag of Chanel that you can afford and that you want to get your hands on, I would go with the medium large. Don't make my mistake of just going with the jumbo because it looked best and I was thinking about the future. But in my opinion, this is the most iconic and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely consider subscribing if you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.